Buenas tardes. Good evening. Me llamo Himanshu. My name is Himanshu. Hoy me voy a enseñaros los saludos. Today I'm going to teach you greetings in Spanish. So let us start today's lesson. The first one is hi or hello. In Spanish we say hola, hola. In Spanish, H is always silent and therefore it becomes hola. The next is good morning. Good morning in Spanish is buenos dias. B-U-E-N-O-S, it is buenos, and D-I-A-S becomes dias. Buenos dias. Next is good afternoon or good evening. In Spanish it is buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Good night in Spanish is buenas noches. Buenas noches. For goodbye in Spanish, we say adios, adios. See you later is hasta luego. H is silent. Hasta luego. Hasta luego. See you soon is hasta pronto. Hasta pronto. H is silent. Hasta pronto. And next is welcome. Welcome in Spanish is bienvenido. Bienvenido. For thank you in Spanish we say gracias. 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 Ciao. Ciao means bye. This is an informal expression to say bye in Spanish. You can also say adios. Miss is señorita. Señorita. Whenever we have this accent on the top of N, it gives ñ sound. Ñ. So all together this is señorita. Señora, señora, señora. Mr. in French is señor, señor, señor. Please is por favor, por favor, por favor. Por favor. See you in a minute in Spanish is hasta ahora. H is silent, hence hasta ahora. Hasta ahora. Next is see you tomorrow. In Spanish, H is silent, hence it starts from A. Hasta mañana. Hasta mañana. Next is how are you? In Spanish it is ¿cómo estás? Oblique ¿qué tal? Remember in Spanish whenever we ask questions we have question marks in the beginning and at the end of the sentence always. So we have two expressions for how are you ¿Cómo estás? And ¿qué tal? Next is very good, thanks. Answer of the question. In Spanish we say muy bien, gracias. Muy bien, gracias. You can also ask how are you in a very formal way, which is ¿Cómo está usted? ¿Cómo está usted? ¿Cómo está usted? And for usted you can write UD in short. So the answer will be same, muy bien, gracias. Next is how is it going? The next way to ask how are you in Spanish, ¿qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? And the last one is nice to meet you, which is mucho gusto. Mucho gusto. Thank you for having your time and learning los saludos, greetings in Spanish. I appreciate your time. If in case you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share it as much as possible so that many friends of us can learn this language, which is called Spanish. Thank you so much for your time. See you later.